Well, that's another shift done. Money in the bank. So it's now time for some fuel for the GSX. It was quite a busy one tonight, but it's over and done with now, thank God. And again, greeted with a red light. So at least it's dry tonight. Last night it was the roads were a bit greasy. At least tonight they're bone dry. So we'll make a little pit stop for fuel and head home. I think the Honda will be put into use again tomorrow. That way this bike's got a full tank of fuel for when I take it out again. I like to get my fuel from Esso so that I can get my nectar points, and you fairly rack them up, especially when you put the super duper stuff in. Esso tend to give you extra points, bonus points. So yeah, I'm all in favour of that. And I think with that Nectar app, or the Nectar card, I've easily racked up over £200 in points. And I've bought loads of stuff with it. Bought a watch last year, that was £100 from Argos. And again, I got Nectar points for buying it with my Nectar points. And I've had about at least two £50 vouchers that I've transferred into eBay pounds. All that with the Nectar card. So this is really just another night test with the DJI Action 4. I was about to call it a GoPro there. And a mic test. I'm running the Rode Lavalier Go at the moment. So the next test I will use a DJI mic and see if there's any difference in it. But I've used this Rode Lavalier Go mic for a while now, and it has been a really good microphone. They're not cheap, but the audio that I've always had from them has been pretty good, a lot better than the cheap mics that I've had in the past from Amazon and eBay and all that. They like to pop out, but I can't say I've ever had any popping with the Rode mic. So it'll be interesting to see how the DJI mic compares to this. And the DJI mic was a little bit cheaper. That came in at £35 I think the DJI mic is, lavalier mic. and it's a nice short cable as well, so it's not a massively long cable. Same with the Lavalier Go, the Rode one. That's quite a short cable as well. Whereas on my Comica, my twin headed microphone, the cable on that's quite long. But I've actually shortened one of them, one of my cables, or one of my Comica Go cables. I've got about 2 or 3 of them. So that seems to be working okay. That's what I use when I go out with Alex. Yeah, so I'm very impressed with the way the Action 4 handles low light video. It is certainly better at capturing the low light than the GoPro, or certainly the GoPro Hero 9 that I've got. The quality is on top, but I've noticed that a lot of other YouTubers are starting to switch to the DJI, so they too are coming away from GoPro and moving on to DJI. Now don't get me wrong, the GoPro is a great camera, it really is, and they really started the action camera scene off, but me personally, I just got sick of the constant freezing of the GoPro and losing a lot of audio with it. And when the GoPro freezes, you need to take the camera off the mount, and if it's in the media mode, which it always is with mine, you need to take it out of there, pop the battery out, and then stick the battery back in it again. Now, when you're out on the motorbike, that's not always easy to do. It's just too much faffing about, whereas the DJI, it's got the quick release feature on it. Seconds, even with gloves on, you can take the camera off the mount and remount it again. And so far I haven't had any audio loss with the DJI, nor have I had any freezing with it. So far so good, but I am only a couple of weeks into testing the DJI, so time will tell with that. So this is us coming up to the Maybury. There's a cracking building here on the right hand side, very art deco. It used to be the Maybury Hotel, but it's now a casino. Absolutely beautiful building. I've never been in it, so it's probably just as nice inside than what it is outside. So I'm just going to take it easy going home. Absolutely no rush. Got the roads to myself at this time of night, so I'm not having to deal with idiots. And I love it when the roads are like this. Now it'll be interesting to see how the wind noise is on this bike, doing 70 mile an hour. With the lavalier mic. And I was using the wireless mic too. That did seem to pick up a lot of wind, but in saying that, that was with the Shoei helmet. So I'll maybe try it again in a full face helmet. See if that makes any difference. Well, that was a nice gentle little cruise along the motorway. Never really had it over 70. And only one van passed me, so happy days. It's been raining out here, the road's wet. Well, that wraps that one up. Nice short one for a change. So this was just like another test. Another test on the night vision, and the Go Lavalier mic, or Lavalier Go, whatever it's called. The Rode one, Rode Lavalier Go. Anyway, once again, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.